Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to connect Blum to wallet. Now for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and click this one right here, launch Blum. So I'm here right now on my Blum app, and then from here you're going to go ahead and tap the wallet down here. And once you have tapped the wallet, you can go ahead and click connect wallet. Now there are different wallet options here. You can go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to be able to see more. And there is the wallet on Telegram. So you can go ahead and click that one over there, and it's going to redirect you to the wallet here on Telegram app, and then you can go ahead and basically click connect wallet. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingerprint in order to confirm this one, and after doing so you can see that now we are connected. So again, we're going to go ahead and launch Blum, and then if you're going to click the wallet, you can see that now we have it here. So if I were to click this one, you should be able to see that now it has been active. And yep, that is basically how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.